Second mail call video 2026. So first up, got this nice steel lock, an Archer. And it's got 5 pins, all standard, although unfortunately you only have to pick 3 of them. There we go. But nonetheless, nice lock. And we got this mono block lock. Bit stiff. There we go. Yeah, hold on, let me just fix the door. There we go. Sorry about that. And then we got this nice Lockwood 234. This one's from at least the 70s onwards, roundabout. You can tell because it's got a much thinner body, whereas the older ones, like this one, have a much wider body. So this one's from about like late 40s, early 50s, and much chunkier body. And then, last but not least, the 2 best locks I found in this lot were these 2 beauties. We have this Lockwood 234 on this side and an Ozlock 234 on this side. This is Victorian made. This is Queensland made. Both 45mm brass bodies, steel shackles. Take a look at the keyways. You can tell they got restricted, nasty restricted keyways. And this is the keys. Got the key for the Ozlock. And this one is for the Lockwood. Really great side by side. I feel like I was going to say something else, but I forgot. Yeah, I think that's everything. And yeah, I'm just going to leave it at that. Have a good one all.